Hey everyone, BrunsNick's back here with another comparison video for you all. Today we're going to compare the Turmoil Solid to the Pitbull Bite. Two performance categories with surprising results. Take a look.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Pitbull Bite versus So playing in my comfort zone, these bowling balls actually look pretty equal. They both set up and they shape in the right spot of the lane. They go through the pins just fine. And they split the 8-9. The Turmoil Solid is a high-performance ball in a mid-range price point. When I start moving in, you're going to see some minor differences with how the ball shapes, and especially pay attention to how these next few shots go through the pin. The first move with each ball was moving in 3 and 2. So what we're trying to do is test how much we can open up our angles and still have the ball come back. The Pitbull Bite still comes around that corner and finishes strong, with the Turmoil Solid kind of labors a little bit here. Look, the Pitbull Bite is a 248 low RG core with an 055 differential. And let's not forget the intermediate is 020. That's pretty strong to start. The Turmoil Solid is 252 at 042. That's not a low RG ball. That's not a high differential core. That's right in the middle. Pair it up with a stronger cover stock like it has, and you can play a little bit with the big boys, but you're going to give up a hit a game. Look, the Turmoil Solid outperforms every ball in the mid-range price point. There, I said it. Yeah, I said it. Moving even further left with my feet, now you're starting to see the differences with the Pitbull Bite versus the Turmoil Solid. This is the benefit of having the bigger asymmetric core with the lower RG and the higher differential. Now, cover stock strength is in the same ballpark with these two bowling balls, but when it comes down to it, when you're moving left and opening up your angles, you need that ball to come around the corner and get through the pins. If you're not looking to spend a whole lot of money and you want high performance, the Turmoil Solid is an amazing ball.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you got a little bit more information about the Pitbull Bite versus Turmoil Solid. Now, two great performance balls with just a little bit of minor differences there. If you want to see ball reviews in the future, remember we need to get to 1,000 subscribers. We need to get that number up. We're just over 700. We got a lot of new balls coming out in the future. Till next time guys, see you later.